In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your SurveyMonkey surveys anonymous. We'll be going through a few steps to ensure that your respondents can share their opinions freely without any hesitation about their privacy being compromised. This guide is perfect for gathering data where respondent confidentiality is key to obtaining honest and unfiltered feedback. First things first, you'll need to start by heading over to SurveyMonkey. Once there, click on the login button. You have a variety of options to log in, but for simplicity, you can click on Google to log in with your Google account. Choose the account you want to use, and you're in. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the SurveyMonkey homepage. Here you'll find the Projects section, which houses all the surveys you've created or have access to. Take a moment to find the survey you wish to work on, as this is where the magic begins. Now, look for the three dots that indicate the menu for more options on the survey you've selected. Clicking on these three dots will open up a host of options, but the one we're interested in today is Edit Survey. Click on that to proceed to the next step. After selecting Edit Survey, it's time to set up how you'll collect responses. For that, you'll need to navigate to the Collect Responses section. This section is crucial as it allows you to choose the method through which you'll distribute your survey, and importantly, control the privacy settings of the responses. In the Collect Responses area, you'll want to select the Web Link option. This choice is particularly relevant for when you plan to share your survey across the internet or via direct link, and it's the method that allows us to adjust our anonymity settings. This brings us to the most crucial part of making your SurveyMonkey survey anonymous. Once you're in the section for the web link collector, look for the option that reads Anonymous Responses. This is where SurveyMonkey gives you the control to ensure the privacy of your respondents. Click on Anonymous Responses. You will see a toggle switch that, when turned on, activates the anonymity of your survey. This means that SurveyMonkey will not track IP addresses or any other identifiable information from the respondents. Once this is toggled on, rest assured, your respondents will be anonymous. And that's it. You've successfully set up your SurveyMonkey survey to ensure respondent anonymity. This small but significant adjustment is essential for maintaining the trust and integrity of your survey, especially in sensitive matters where privacy makes the difference in the quality and honesty of the feedback you receive. Remember, preserving the anonymity of your respondents not only respects their privacy, but can also significantly improve the accuracy and reliability of the data you collect. People are far more likely to share their true thoughts when they know they aren't being tracked. Thank you for following along with this guide. Whether you're conducting academic research, gathering employee feedback, or just trying to understand your audience better, protecting the identity of your respondents is crucial. You're now ready to gather the insightful, honest feedback you need with SurveyMonkey. Happy surveying!